Welcome back to Color Vistas. If you're looking to create custom eye-catching phone cases, sublimation is the perfect technique. Whether you're designing cases for personal use, gifts, or a small business, sublimation allows you to produce high-quality, vibrant designs that stand the test of time. In today's video, I'll guide you step-by-step through the process of sublimating on phone cases, including tips to achieve results and creative ways to make your designs stand out. Let's dive in. Sublimation on phone cases is a fantastic way to combine creativity with functionality. Phone cases are not only practical, but they're also a canvas for personal expression, making them highly popular as custom products. The first step to successful sublimation is selecting the right phone case. Sublimation-ready phone cases are essential because they feature a polymer-coated surface that allows sublimation ink to bond effectively during the heat transfer process. Without this coating, the ink won't transfer properly, and your design won't last. Sublimation phone cases typically come in two parts: a rigid plastic base that attaches to the phone, and a sublimation-ready aluminum insert. The aluminum insert is where the design is transferred. This two-part system ensures that the design is protected and vibrant, while the plastic base provides durability and structure. To begin, gather all the materials you'll need: sublimation-ready phone cases, sublimation ink, sublimation paper, a heat press, heat-resistant tape, and your chosen design. If this is your first time working with phone cases, start with a simple design to familiarize yourself with the process. As you gain confidence, you can experiment with more intricate designs or custom templates. The design phase is one of the most exciting parts of the sublimation process. Use design software like Photoshop, Illustrator, or Canva to create or edit your artwork. Phone cases have a relatively small surface area, so bold and simple designs often work best. High-resolution images, logos, or patterns are ideal, and you can also include text or monograms for a personalized touch. Don't forget to mirror your design before printing to ensure it appears correctly on the final product. Once your design is ready, print it onto sublimation paper using sublimation ink. Set your printer to high-resolution mode to capture all the details of your design. Allow the print to dry completely before handling to avoid smudging the ink. While your design dries, prepare the phone case insert. Wipe the surface of the aluminum insert with a lint-free cloth to remove any dust or residues that could interfere with the transfer. Place the sublimation paper face down on the aluminum insert, aligning the design carefully. Use heat-resistant tape to secure the paper and prevent it from shifting during the transfer process. For sublimating phone cases, set your heat press to approximately 375 degrees to 400 degrees and apply medium pressure for about 60 seconds. These settings allow the sublimation ink to turn into gas and bond with the polymer coating on the aluminum insert. After pressing, carefully remove the aluminum insert from the heat press. It will be hot, so wear heat-resistant gloves. Allow it to cool slightly before peeling back the sublimation paper to reveal your design. If done correctly, you'll see a vibrant, high-resolution image seamlessly bonded to the insert. Inspect the design for any imperfections, and if needed, adjust your technique for future projects. Once the sublimation process is complete, attach the aluminum insert to the plastic phone case base. Most sublimation-ready phone cases use adhesive backing to secure the insert in place. Simply peel off the protective film from the adhesive and press the insert firmly onto the case. Ensure the insert is aligned correctly for a professional finish. Sublimated phone cases are incredibly versatile and popular for a variety of uses. Personalized cases make fantastic gifts, while custom designs are a great way to showcase your art or branding. For businesses, sublimated phone cases offer a profitable product line that appeals to a wide audience. You can create themed collections, seasonal designs, or even offer customization services where customers can provide their own photos or artwork. Caring for sublimated phone cases is simple. The sublimation process embeds the ink into the polymer coating, making the design durable and resistant to fading or peeling. However, to keep the case looking its best, avoid exposing it to harsh chemicals or prolonged direct sunlight. Clean the case with a damp cloth to remove dirt or smudges. If you're looking to take your phone case designs to the next level, consider experimenting with layered patterns, gradients, or even mixed media. For example, you can combine sublimation with vinyl decals or embellishments to create truly unique pieces. The possibilities are endless, and phone cases are a fantastic canvas for exploring your creativity. And there you have it, a complete guide to sublimating on phone cases. With the right materials and techniques, you can create stunning, professional-quality cases that are as practical as they are beautiful. Whether you're making cases for yourself, your friends, or your business, sublimation opens up endless possibilities for customization. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check the description for links to recommended sublimation products and other helpful resources where applicable. Visit my website for more guides and inspiration on sublimation. Link is in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your favorite phone case designs in the comments. See you in the next video.